Shaking your wasted and wounded this old piano, trying hard to capture the moment. This morning I don't know. Was a battle of vodka still lies in my head. Some blonde gave me nightmares. Think that she's still in my bed. I dream about movies, they won't make of me when I'm dead. With an ironclad fist, I wake up, friends kiss the morning. While some marching band keep its on beat my head while we're talking about all of the things that I long to believe about love and the truth that you mean to me. The truth is, baby, you're all that I need. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses. Oh, tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses. Well, his hotel bus hangover whiskey's can dry, but keeper's rigs cooking is giving me the high. I might have said yeah. I laughed so hard I think I died. Ooh, yeah. Now as you close your eyes, now I'll be thinking about you. Well, my mistress calls me, starring spotlight again. Tonight I won't be alone. You know that don't mean I'm not lonely. I've got nothing to prove but you, then tie to the bed. I wanna lay you down on a bed of roses. Oh, tonight I sleep on a bed of nails. Oh, I wanna be just as close as the Holy Ghost is, and lay you down on a bed of roses.